Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete underlines from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and I'll remove this underline from a PDF file. Click on this underline and select and simply press delete key for your keyboard and this is delete. Again click delete and also I'll delete this underline. Select this underline, click on this underline and press delete key for your keyboard and select this underline option and click right button for your mouse cursor. Also here you will find this delete key option. Select underline and click right button and select delete. In this way you can delete all of this underline from a PDF file. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.